I was pretty sure कि अभी job नहीं करनी है. Yeah.
What was your rank?
So mine was
I remember your father was very excited. He's my economics teacher. He's somebody because of whom I am who I am.
The more you know what you don't know, sort of. DU में cutoffs go very high.
DU करना ही था target जब science ले ली थी.
I knew कि DU is not the end of my education.
मुझे एक realize हो रहा है that you are somebody who believes in challenges.
A lot of people don't know, but after maths you get a lot of different options. It was still very culturally vibrant. I did a lot of music as well there.
Audience को बताओ कितना अच्छा लगता है सत्यम को गाना गाना. सत्यम कुछ गाने को बोल रहे हैं.
No, नहीं अभी नहीं. Not गला खराब है.
कुछ pressure feeling आई होगी कि what next?
उस साल placement सब online हो रहे थे, तो slightly different था इस बार. Everyone was sitting at their home and the companies were joining through like chat rooms and stuff. And that's when the seed of doubt came into my mind कि wait.
Doubt. So जब भी आप कुछ लाइफ में बड़ा एम कर रहे हैं एंड आप कहीं पे पहुंचना चाहते हैं सो इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप कहीं टॉप स्कूल से ही हों तभी आप कोई टॉप जगह पे लाइफ में पहुंचेंगे एंड बिल्कुल आज का एपिसोड हमारा इसी बारे में होने वाला है एंड आई वुड लाइक you all to see my guest Satyam and he's Satyam Verma and हम स्कूल्स की बात नहीं करेंगे, हम कहाँ पे हैं, कहाँ से क्या स्टार्ट करा उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे. आज ये गेस्ट अपने बारे में पहले थोड़ा सा खुद बताएंगे एंड बाकी आप एपिसोड देखेंगे तो आपको पता लगेगा कि हम मैसेज क्या देना चाह रहे हैं. गो अहेड सत्यम.
Cool. Hi, thanks for inviting me. So you already mentioned my name. Hi, my name is Satyam. And in terms of schooling, okay, I'll just start straight from the beginning. In terms of schooling, I studied at a school called Nutan Vidya Mandir, and actually she's my senior for school में. So yeah, we go way far, like बहुत पहले. So yeah, I did my schooling there, and after that, bunch of other things happened, but that's where I started. And should I go directly to the college thing as well, or should I continue from there?
I think the school aspect for audience, I would definitely love to mention that we were from the same school as you mentioned and हम ना जब कॉलेज जाते हैं ना कभी कभी तो कॉलेज में जैसे ही पहुंचते हैं हर जगह से हर स्टेट से बहुत सारे स्कूल के बच्चे होते हैं एंड उसमें ना जब भी हमको बोला जाता है आप कौन से स्कूल से हो, इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या बोलोगे ना खड़े होते ही कॉलेज पहुंचे एंड वहाँ पे ना कभी कभी you know it's natural, not that I'm not proud of my school, but sometimes it happens that I'm hesitating to say name of my school because everybody will think oh she's not from a top college or top school, sorry. So वो एक एस्पेक्ट आता है बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी आर हेयर टुडे, वी आर डूइंग दिस एपिसोड बिकॉज येस प्राउडली वी आर फ्रॉम नूतन विद्या मंदिर. दिलशाद गार्डन में जाके गूगल करिए, बहुत अमेजिंग स्कूल है, चाहो तो बहुत अमेजिंग है सब कुछ, बाकी तो यू नो या. सो ही वाज फ्रॉम माय स्कूल एंड देन he made it to Delhi University, Kirori College and Maths Honors. Talk about that, Satyam.
Yeah, so basically during my schooling, 11th, 12th, we have to pick between commerce and science. I took the science stream and I would say my path is not linear, like where I decided कि ये करना है and उसी को follow करा. There have been lots of up and downs, but I think that is the norm. Almost her student जो भी 11th में आता है, they are suddenly told कि choose science or commerce and based on that your life would be, and that's a big decision क्योंकि उस टाइम पे पता भी नहीं होता science और commerce में होगा क्या. So most students they think they might have a linear path and things come. Same with me, no special story यहाँ पे. So when I took science, initially the idea was BTech as everyone else.
हाँ सत्यम, आई वाज कमिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन कि कहीं और क्यों नहीं गए? डीयू में मैथ्स ऑनर्स एक साइंस का बच्चा कितना काउंटर है लाइफ में.
या सो उसका आई वुड से द वेरी हम्बल ओरिजिन्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वे आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ बीटेक इट वाज नाइस, लाइक as everyone else JEE के लिए you have to prep physics, chemistry, maths, and I used to like physics and maths a lot. I would not say chemistry मेरा strong point था, like I had to force myself a lot for that. And even for maths and physics, I would say I was never good at, how do you say, covering the syllabus.
Okay.
I like problems. If they are difficult, I would spend like an entire 1 hour, 2 hours on same problem. But I was very bad at the exam preparation part.
Oh.
I would say, but still not too bad. Like,
you don't seem like that, huh?
Yeah. As I continue the story, so it was more like how I study. I used to like going into the problem a lot.
Okay.
I guess उधर से कहीं also I would say some sort of influence also from my father. So my father is a PhD in economics, and he has had a research type of path.
A lot of my audience knows about him. Audience, he's my economics teacher. He's somebody because of whom I am who I am. Honestly, I always say more than my parents, he had an influence on me, and उनकी वजह से ही मैंने economics लिया, उनकी वजह से ही मैं वो हूँ. अब इसने नाम ही ले दिया RKV सर का, तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि अब मैं बोले बिना रुकूं, क्योंकि आज मैं जो भी हूँ, आज मैं यहाँ भी बैठी हूँ, मैं जो भी कर रही हूँ लाइफ में, उनका बहुत बड़ा रोल है. एंड यू हैव नो क्लू what your father is to a lot of people in life. I mean,
No,
even
I
if
agree.
he's influencing you, but he's changed my life, and definitely.
Yeah.
So that's why we are here. But yeah, continue.
Yeah, no, I agree. I will touch on it later when I write my US preparation state of my purpose. That the first one of the first lines I mentioned was regarding my father. But I'll come to that. But yeah, long story short, so I decided for maths eventually. First of all, I got very good marks in my boards.
Yeah.
I got
क्या परसेंटेज थी? Just CGPA था, I think.
उस टाइम परसेंटेज थी. So
थी, हाँ.
हाँ, उस टाइम पे I think मेरा maybe last year था, उसके बाद CGPA कन्वर्ट हुआ, don't remember.
हाँ.
But 95.25% at that point.
95.25%.
And
Which was amazing in the year.
oh, year, that's so long. 2000.
No, it's important for the students to know that
Yeah.
उस टाइम की 95.25 right now के 97% से ऊपर के equivalent है.
Yeah, so I think maybe 2016.
Yeah, might be. How
Yeah.
junior you were.
I was pretty junior, I think.
मेरा 2012 में खत्म हुआ है. Now you
हाँ, then
calculate.
16 ही होगा.
4
फिर.
years थे ना?
Yeah, 4 years.
चलो,
Yeah,
हाँ,
मान के
16
चलो.
है.
I'm joining all the years since then. I
Yeah,
think
that's
16
fine.
है. So that was 95.25. However, I would say realistically, to temper everyone's expectations, DU में cutoffs go very high.
Oh, very
high. So Stephens, Hindu, all of them like 98, 99.
But Satyam, that's the question.
Yeah.
The question of our audience.
Yeah.
DU करना ही था target जब science ले ली थी.
So that's the thing. Science जो मैंने पहले जो BTech वाला चीज लिया था, I realized in the middle of preparation कि I could get into a college.
Yeah.
I could do like BTech, but उसमें मेरा interest आ नहीं रहा. Like I am forcing myself more or less
Yeah.
in the like I can prepare and I can do well, but just so because I can get into the college does not mean that's what I want to do.
Okay.
Yeah. So उस time, and also I would say थोड़ा bold decision था. Maybe.
It was very bold.
Yeah, it was pretty
Not
bold.
thoda.
Yeah, it was thoda. But
Yeah.
I would say that has been a pattern मेरे साथ थोड़ा. Even later on, as we will mention, and I came into IIT, उधर भी I took some bold decisions. I would come to that, but yeah.
I think after talking to you इतना भी मुझे एक realize हो रहा है that you are somebody who believes in challenges and actually not challenging somebody else.
Yeah.
What I am, because I know you, but maybe through the conversation that I'm getting to know you,
Yeah.
I feel that you'd like to challenge yourself. कि हाँ कैसे एंड बोल्ड डिसीजन क्यों नहीं ले सकते, लेंगे,
Yeah.
करेंगे एंड अपने साथ ही लिए सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट पहले अपने ऊपर ही कर रहे हैं लाइफ में.
True. That's
बट आई एम
a
वेरी
good way.
ग्लैड दैट इसके सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट हिट हुए हैं because that's what
Touch wood.
yeah touch wood. That's where we are coming
Yeah.
to, that he was in KMC as I mentioned, and Delhi University में it's not that easy, and maths honors. Satyam,
Yeah.
हमारे ना स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही कीन है जानने को, उनको DU जाना है. अभी मेरा जो भी ऑडियंस है क्लास 12th में है,
Yeah.
वो DU जाना चाहते हैं because
Yeah.
my background is normally commerce. I target
Yeah.
commerce people.
Yeah.
Even if there's somebody else, people want to go to DU.
Yeah.
So DU का top courses are BCom honors, Eco honors, ये सारी जगह जाना है.
Yeah.
मैं इतना 95.25 स्कोर करके एक
Yeah.
तो मतलब आप देख रहे हो लाइफ में, आप अभी मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ अगर
Yeah.
साइंस का स्टूडेंट
Yeah.
95.25 ले आया है,
Yeah.
इतनी मेहनत की जेई सबके लिए,
Yeah.
DU में गया है, चलो वो दिक्कत भी नहीं है, DU में मैथ्स ऑनर्स लिया है, आपने मैथ्स क्या सोच के लिया?
So main reason, the very
और
main
मैथ्स
reason.
में यू पॉइंटेड आउट, आई रिमेम्बर यू जस्ट सेड मैथ्स में
Yeah, the main reason was actually कि I knew कि DO is not the end of my education.
True. Very
I want to do something, but I don't want to jump into like say engineering without knowing कि I really like it. One thing जो I've realized, तब भी जो मुझे लगा था, अभी भी I realized कि it's absolute कि once you do maths, it's like a starting off point to almost every other thing. So the reason I took math honors was because I realized कि इसको मैं आगे use कर सकता हूँ much more versatile way compared to if I do something more like say physics.
Yeah.
Even though uske bhi areas hain, but I feel like math gives a much more broader background, which it did. Because after I did DU, like maths honors, even in my own batch, there were students who might have wanted to go for a job after that, but a lot of them were preparing for something else. And the areas were like vast. Some were preparing for CAT, some were preparing for UPSC, some were actually preparing for actuarial science exams, जो 15 देने होते हैं एक के बाद एक. Some were going for, as I mentioned, job directly. Some were going for masters in not maths. Now, a lot of people don't know, but after maths, you get a lot of different options. If you want to do masters, there's master in pure maths, but there's also masters in mathematics and computing, which takes you from maths into a bit more practical, real life kind of scenario.
I didn't know about that.
Yeah, so one of my friends, he did his IIT exam and he went to IIT Guwahati and he did his mathematics and computing my masters. So people go for that. I myself, so what I ended up doing was I gave an exam for IIT called IIT JAM, and for that I prepped during DU. And I would say this, in KMC, I can say this for sure, it has one of the like better maths departments for sure. Like I don't know about other colleges, so I cannot say the best.
You can't do the comparison,
but I would say it was pretty nice in general. There was this one professor, Professor Tripathi. His love for math was like out there. Pura.
It's important for even students to identify the love of a teacher, because a lot of students don't. A lot of them are like, DU hai, maze karenge, North Campus hai, cafe jayenge, chill karenge. For them, teacher ka pyar apne subject ke liye, are kya? We are not concerned. It takes a lot to, even to identify. Uske liye passion chahiye, what you had. And I'm super proud on that. But coming across iske aage ki, you took maths and it was a bold decision. Aage kya? What were your plans? Did you sit for the placement?
So regarding KMC placements, again, to ground everything in reality, when it comes to placements directly after bachelor's, I would say maybe Stephens, Hindu, and you come to Hansraj. Till then, you have a better chance for getting into placements because the companies actually come all the way. In our scenario, at least during that year, we didn't have a dedicated placement cell, students ka bana hua. So companies were not exactly coming for like a placement season in like KMC. However, during my year, I think it was the beginning. I don't know abhi kaisa scene chal raha hai, but it was the big.
अपने time की बात करेंगे.
हाँ, yeah.
अभी तो हम comment नहीं कर सकते क्या है.
But during जब मैं था तब, I think one of the first companies that started to come, and I do remember that there was this one company which had come and there was this huge line of people like waiting for that. But again, not a huge market if you want to get in-campus placements.
A lot of demand-supply gap, I believe. There's a lot of, and I think आज की डेट में ना students feel DU जाना है, and जिनको placement चाहिए उनको लगता है DU गए, North Campus गए, अपनी placement तो हो जाएगी. Which is what I want to tell the audience, that that's may or may not be true. I'm not saying completely wrong. Because as you would have seen our last episodes also, even my student from SRCC and even my students who have been there in reputed institutes, they also claim LSR, SRCC हो गया, ये तो top colleges हैं. But yet वहाँ पे भी skewness है कि एक किसी का हो गया, आपको वो news में highlight हो गया, इतना package हुआ है, so everybody feels हमारा लग जाएगा. और लोग उसको life death situation, my ultimate problem with this generation is honestly कि आप लाइफ डेथ सिचुएशन नहीं बना सकते कि यार मेरा आपको आइडिया नहीं है भाई, मैंने भी SRCC एक टाइम पे ड्रीम करा था, मेरा नहीं हुआ, मेरे भी 95.75 थे और मेरे टाइम पे थे, तो टेक्निकली मेरे को मिल जाना चाहिए था, मेरे को नहीं मिला, तो इसका मतलब थोड़ी जिंदगी का एंड हो गया, बैठी हूँ ना यहाँ. तो that's what the message. You don't know about his further story. Satyam, continue with that. कि LSR वो placement तो हमने नहीं लिया वहाँ पे.
So of course the placement was not there, and the thing is, right now it might seem ki what's this dude's plan. Us time pe I wouldn't say ki I had a plan right from the start. It was more like you just have to like, sort of convince yourself ki you can pull it off. What exactly are you going to pull off? You're going to figure out later. But you have to pull it, like, that's the thing. You have to keep on exploring and find the right opportunity.
डर नहीं लगा एक टाइम पे कि मतलब क्या दिमाग में, क्योंकि ना जैसे मैं थी अपने टाइम पे, मुझे पता था मुझे तो बैठना ही नहीं प्लेसमेंट, तो मैं तो बैठी ही नहीं कभी, ऑनेस्टली बता रही हूँ. मैं भी डीआरसी से हूँ, डीयू से हूँ, मैं बैठी ही नहीं प्लेसमेंट के लिए. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता था कंपनी आ रही है नहीं आ रही, बिकॉज आई न्यू मेरे को फर्दर स्टडीज के लिए जाना है. यू नो, वी हैव दैट क्लैरिटी. सो व्हाट वाज योर, you were always sure कि मुझे आगे पढ़ना है या जॉब करनी है या क्या करना है?
So that's the thing. I was pretty sure कि अभी जॉब नहीं करनी. That was clear.
That's why you smiled.
Yeah, that was clear. So I was not that scared जब companies नहीं आ रही थी. I was like ठीक है. I was more concerned कि इसके बाद what's the next best thing to do.
Yeah.
Right after math honors. And a lot of students get confused on that उस time पे भी. They were trying to figure out कि क्या करना चाहिए. And DU, KMC, I think all colleges, but this college में हूँ, KMC. First of all, it's like a cultural hub, KMC. So many things happen. Kirori Mal College, yeah. Like, I think a lot of like artists. I think KK is from that college. Yeah. So
I miss KK.
Yeah. So yeah, same. Yeah. So it is like a cultural hub, but उधर कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. But apart from that, I think during the second year, there were a lot of these seminar scenarios where people say from MBA, they come and like they showcase what options you have after math honors. SC, I remember there was this one group of people who came to tell us about IIT entrance exams. Oh. Yeah. That's how I got to know about IIT JAM. Yeah. Like, that's basically how I got to know. And it's a, for those who don't know, it's an entrance exam like JEE, but this one is not for bachelor's के लिए. This is for master's, PhD, dual degree program उनके लिए. So just like JEE, you have to give an exam, all India होता है, and you have to get a rank, and based on the cutoff, you get in or you get out. Only difference is इसका the strength of people who apply is less, and that also reflects in the cutoffs of the rankings. So if you get like 300 ranking, you probably won't get a very nice.
Even in 300?
No, you won't. Yeah.
What was your rank?
So mine was 8.
8. So all India rank 8 holder is sitting next to us. You should be, clapping.
Thanks a lot.
No. Very, very, very proud.
But yeah, that was the catch for that exam. If you get, I think, एक ये भी था कि there's a list, if you go online, there's a list of each of the ranks में what are the colleges that are gonna be accepting and cutting off, and then all of them have different things that they offer, not just masters in maths. So that's the important point. There's a whole list which they offer masters in maths, masters in, what I did was operations research. So that's slightly different than maths. It still uses maths as base, but it's like an intersection थोड़ा सा maths का plus statistics and a little bit of, how do I put it, operations management. So it's a mix. So there were these different scenarios, and I remember I decided that I want to go to IIT Bombay for this particular masters. Every other was like, they were nice, but I just wanted to do OR for some reason, and that's when I decided. That was in my, I think, second year, and then I decided that for the last year of my DU, I'm just gonna completely prep for this exam. That's what I did for my last year.
You had 8 rank, all India 8 rank, but खुशी तो बहुत हुई होगी, because सुन के अभी इतनी हो रही है, तो जब करा होगा तो कितना हुआ होगा?
Yeah, खुशी थी. देखो, I would not deny.
I remember your father was very excited. He specially called me to tell me that Satyam has got rank 8 in,
Yeah, I would say I was like,
he was very, he's super proud of you guys. But yeah, even I am.
Yeah. That was very nice.
Which brings me to the point that Satyam, IIT Bombay हो गया, अब पहुंच गए, कैसा था environment? बॉम्बे दिल्ली का तो वो टसल चलता है, कुछ ऐसा फील हुआ वहाँ?
Yes. Yeah. I mean, the moment, so while you're in the campus, it's a mix of cultures. बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक है. मेरे batch में a lot of people from Kolkata were doing research, and like in my seniors में. So Kolkata, Delhi, South से, and like mixed up matchup. Once you leave the campus and you make new friends, तो nothing too serious, just टांग खींचना types, like हल्का हल्का, yeah.
टांग ही बोल रही हूँ खींचना, और क्या दिल्ली बॉम्बे का टसल क्या है, सच में थोड़ी लड़ रहे हैं बैठ के,
of course, yeah.
वो लिंगो पे रेडी होने बहुत सारी चीजें चलती है दिल्ली बॉम्बे.
They had stereotypes कि so they had stereotypes कि you don't sound like Delhiite. I'm like, what do you think Delhiite sounds like?
I've heard that 1,000 times. मैं दिल्ली वाली नहीं लगती लोगों को. मैं क्यों नहीं लगती लोगों को दिल्ली वाली? मुझे हर कोई पता क्या बोलता है. जब पहली बारी बात करी, हमें लगा था कि दिल्ली वालों में एटीट्यूड होता है, अब दिल्ली वाले नहीं लगते. अरे यार इतना क्या स्टीरियोटाइप बनाया है. दिल्ली में हर टाइप के, दिल्ली दिल वालों के हर टाइप के लोग हैं.
सेम मुझे बोला गया था कि ये मुझे लगता है दिल्ली वालों में एटीट्यूड होता है. I was like, I can show you attitude, but मैं फोर्स करूंगा. वो like I don't know, like, but yeah. So in general, IIT life was, I would say, for the most part, it was pretty eventful. Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
And your facial expression shows a lot of satisfaction when you're speaking that.
Yeah.
You know, it shows that.
Yeah. Lot to learn there.
Lot to learn, right?
I like once you go there, you've gone through this exam and everything, and of course, I was very lucky to go there. Like, there's so many people who give the exam, and some of it is skill, a lot of it is, I would say, at that day is like at that day for that particular 2-3 hours you perform your absolute best. Sometimes people are not able to do that, even though they can. So, a lot of luck. But once you go there, initially it takes some time to get in. It's a giant campus. It's like so much to see. There's a hill inside the campus. Yeah, there's something called Sameer Hill, which is like a hill you can like hike on. Yeah, then there's I think 1 or 2 lakes, and like it's a 550 acres campus. It's a giant campus. So शुरू में तो you're just exploring, and then the work comes, which is no easy way to put it. It is their work. काम होता है, like they expect certain amount of performance metrics कि इतना होना चाहिए. So काम रहता है. But I think मोस्ट पीपल जो वहाँ पे आते हैं वो दिमाग में सोच के आते हैं कि हाँ ये होगा. अगर नहीं आते तो पहले सेमेस्टर में डिप होते हैं CGPAs, बट सेकंड में दे कैच अप.
वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए इतना लग जाता है कि उसका सबको पता होता है कि करना ही है. मतलब ना वो मेंटली, अब क्योंकि जो वहाँ पहुँचा है वो इसीलिए पहुँचा है क्योंकि उसने पहले भी उस एनवायरनमेंट में अपने आप में पूरा टाइम दिया है. So obviously,
so yeah, थोड़ा सा रहता है. But I would say one thing, for the most part, it was still very culturally vibrant. I did a lot of music as well there at campus. So
you were fond of music since school time, please, okay?
That's true.
ये वहाँ पे करा ये नहीं चलेगा. ऑडियंस को बताओ कितना अच्छा लगता है सत्यम को गाना गाना. मेरे पास इतनी clips हैं, till date I've saved it. Maybe at those times I was not back then so expressive that I should express out loud that oh my god I'm just loving that music.
Okay.
But I have those clips till date.
Still
मैं अपना मेमोरी हटाती हूँ ना, डिलीट करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, मैं वो रख लेती हूँ कहीं कि I should just save it because he's so fond of music and he used to send it to me.
Yeah, that's true. I still do music, in fact, even
now
right
you
now.
don't send it to me.
Because
मैंने एक्सप्रेस नहीं करा ना, मुझे अच्छा लगा.
That's true. Yeah, express. पता नहीं चला मुझे, पता नहीं.
कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं.
But yeah, we did a lot of music as well IIT में, and there's a lot of like-minded people you can find there.
Yeah.
Almost anything that you want to do, there's probably a club there उसके लिए.
I used to see you in the groups. You were playing and there were a lot of people around you who are just enjoying, chilling from diversity, and they are having fun. I saw those clips. I think from US. Okay, we'll come.
So, even US has that thing.
I just saw that.
So yeah, for the most part, everything was like that.
इसको देख के इसको सुन के लग रहा है इसको गाने का इतना शौक होगा अभी.
I mean,
सत्यम कुछ गाने को बोल दे.
No, नहीं अभी नहीं. गला खराब है.
ये पॉपुलर आर्टिस्ट बोलते हैं, प्लीज. We are just good friends. गला खराब है.
Yeah, maybe at the end if we have like 2 minutes extra.
Definitely we have it for you यार. ऐसा तो है ही नहीं. But okay, coming to IIT चले गए, IIT हो गया अब. अब I want to know ना, मेरे को actually अब सत्यम के बारे में समझना है कि how was सत्यम feeling back then IIT बॉम्बे, कि उसको पता है अब IIT बॉम्बे आ गए, मास्टर्स कर रहे हो ऑफ कोर्स. अब प्रेशर भी होता है, एंड लड़कों पे हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है. हम कुछ बोलें ना बोलें, बॉयज़ पे, मेन पे आई थिंक एक इनबिल्ट प्रेशर है, यू नो दैट यू हैव टू बी अ सर्टेन वे, यू डोंट हैव टू बी दैट इमोशनल, यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ लाइफस्टाइल, आपको इतना अर्न करना है. वो अनसेड प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा है लड़कों पे. मतलब लड़कियों पे अलग किस्म के प्रेशर होते हैं, तो लड़कों पे भी होते हैं. एंड आई टोटली अग्री. तो कुछ प्रेशर फीलिंग आई होगी कि व्हाट नेक्स्ट. सो वर यू ऑलवेज प्लानिंग, क्या मतलब सत्यम क्या सोच रहा था मास्टर्स के बाद कि करना क्या मैंने आगे?
Okay, so yeah, वो time आया था.
या होगा.
And I sort of, yeah, I agree about the pressure thing. It's like the other side of the ugly coin.
We don't show, and boys
yeah.
की दिक्कत पता क्या है, वो बेचारे शो भी नहीं कर सकते. हम लड़कियां तो बोल देती है,
Yeah.
लड़के शो भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि
Yeah.
शो करा तो लोग कहेंगे ऐसे.
Yeah, agree.
So that's our society. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't like that person. Personally, I feel लड़कों को express करना चाहिए, but
Yeah.
तुम्हारी गलती नहीं होती.
Yeah, I mean, it's all rooted at the same thing.
Yeah, that's
the problem for the girls and the guys, it comes from the same thing, and both are
Girls are
suffering.
still, I think, blessed that they can express.
Yeah,
You
I guess,
guys
yeah.
have that pressure not to express.
Yeah, I would
I feel that's
say.
an added pressure on you.
Yeah, I would say most when I was there in like IT second year, I started thinking. Till then, my main focus was prepare, like do very well in course, get good CGPA, learn what they're teaching, don't waste your time, of course, and then of course enjoy your life as well. So like be all rounded. So what I was part of officially, it was something called Master's PhD dual degree program.
Okay.
So it was in operations research, and it's like a 5-year program, वैसे तो, where if you do masters and then PhD, it takes entire 5 or 6 years if you do like complete PhD. But if you don't want to do PhD, you want to quit after masters, so you can quit in 3rd year.
Okay.
After taking a masters.
Okay.
At that point, I was really undecided as to if I want to go for job अब or PhD. Some लोगों को थोड़ा shocking लगेगा कि अभी भी like why is he still even thinking of like studies once he has done masters. Some people think that, but it was a different environment there. First of all, my type of career area is something in which PhD helps, because if I do masters and join a research lab या वैसा कुछ जो is one of the things we do, उस line में भी there are a lot of PhDs who are part of those research teams. So it's not like unheard of कि PhD is something that people do, especially in my area. It's anything related to research and development, it's a good thing to have. And second, ये भी था दिमाग में कि I'm so near, इतना पास आ गया हूँ, why not just finish it properly with a PhD? And not just me, there were a lot, my batch के अंदर भी people were thinking of that. However, lots of confusion, and I think it was around my 3rd year where things really changed a lot. It was in that time COVID came.
Oh,
yeah,
God.
yeah. So that changed a lot of things actually for me.
Okay. How?
So around जब वो announce हुआ था तब हम campus में थे, and we were told कि I think for a month.
You were in IIT Bombay when COVID lockdown was announced.
It was beginning, not announced. It was, I think, March
में announce हुआ था, but January से शुरू हो गया था. December में first case आया था, and January it started 2020.
Yeah. So I was in IT.
We were talking about the first wave, right?
First wave.
Yeah.
So around March, May, they told us कि you guys might have to go to like back your homes because lockdown is gonna be beginning in like Mumbai. Yeah. So हम सब अपने अपने घर आ गए, and we thought कि 1-2 महीने की होगा.
इतना तो कोई सोचता ही नहीं जो हुआ था, but yeah.
So वो नहीं हुआ, वो खींचा. But उस time पे I was working on a paper IIT में with my some guides. And they thought of this as an opportunity कि we can really go all in and like बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत करके we can
तो क्योंकि classes
नहीं है, yeah, so अब तो बहुत अच्छे से research कर सकते हैं. So during that year, I think I did the most amount of work in terms of paper because I was just sitting at home. There's not much to do. You cannot go out. दोस्त नहीं, आसपास कुछ नहीं है, तो
अरे लोग खाना बना रहे थे, बहुत सारी डिशेस बना रहे थे.
हाँ, मतलब
वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे
वो भी, बट कितना ही करोगे. तो आई वाज जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन माय पेपर, एंड उस ईयर में प्रोग्रेस गॉट वेरी गुड, व्हिच allowed me to think maybe I could do a PhD आगे because my research is going very well. I could finish a PhD pretty fast. So that was the start of I was leaning towards PhD, but I was still not 100% sure.
Yeah.
Also, another thing was कि उस time पे the job market was getting pretty bad. So they were
layoff हो रहे थे.
So मेरे दिमाग में था कि even if I go for the job market right now, even like through the IIT campus team, I don't know exactly if I'll get the best of the thing. I could do a PhD, a B,
Yeah.
and go after a while, and तब तक शायद things stabilize हो जाएंगी.
Hmm.
So these are all the things. So what ended up happening is when December came, December is the placement period in IIT.
December 2020 we are talking about.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
December
I think December
2020.
2020
Yeah,
we are
yeah, yeah.
talking.
This is so companies start coming in 1st December, and from 1st till 15th, there's like non-stop interviews. There's a very thorough process of like placement in IT. I was part of the placement team उससे 1 साल पहले.
Oh,
So
so you knew कि
I
क्या होने
knew
वाला
क्या
है.
होता है.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट ईयर जिस साल मैं नहीं था पार्ट, उस साल प्लेसमेंट सब ऑनलाइन हो रहे थे, तो स्लाइटली डिफरेंट था इस बार एवरीवन वाज सिटिंग एट देयर होम एंड द कंपनीज वर जॉइनिंग थ्रू लाइक चैट रूम्स एंड स्टफ, तो स्लाइटली डिफरेंट बट स्टिल प्रीटी लाइक busiest time like for December 1 to 15. तो उस टाइम पे I did not sit for placements.
You did not?
I did not, because I already had cleared my qualifying exams for PhD जो हमको करने होते हैं. I already was en route to like finishing my research, so I was like, you know what, that's fine. नहीं बैठना छोड़ो. Again, one of those bold moves. This is those. yeah. So I did
कई
not.
बार पता है क्या होता है, हम बैठ जाएंगे और कहीं मिल गई ना अच्छी कंपनी, तो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होगी. हमें चाहिए ही नहीं वो कंफ्यूजन, हम ना भागते हैं उससे. I think I relate to you a lot in this way. क्योंकि मैं भी people call me, you're running away. I'm not. I'm clarifying मेरे situation कि clear है ना, doubt है ही नहीं, काम खत्म.
You're really gonna disagree on the next part अभी जो मैं बताने वाला हूँ, what I did afterwards. Yeah, I was thinking. So December came and went. I did not sit for the placements, and I think in January we have to. There's something called official part of the process where you have to give the statement. हमारा research का क्या होगा? During that time, I was talking with my seniors and stuff, and they asked me, "Did you not sit for placements?" I was like, "No, I want to do PhD." They're like, "Okay, interesting. What area?" And I got this area of PhD. Like in what research area? And I go, "Okay." And I go, "Do you have any publications or कुछ?" And I go, "Abhi nahi, but I'm pretty close." And they were like, "Wait, why are you not even trying to go outside?" And I go, "Ek second, what do you mean?" And they were like, "Do you realize you could apply outside with this profile?"
एक second, sorry. इसको short, एक minute. इसको clarification चाहिए हमें कि were you planning to do your PhD from India?
Yeah, IIT. Same.
You never had that thought that you can go outside for PhD?
Never really.
Oh, so that's the time when somebody introduced you that PhD can happen outside. Right? I mean, in a way.
No, I knew it can happen outside.
No, obviously
but,
you knew. It's not that.
Yeah.
My intention is to clarify that you had that thing, you knew, but हमको लगा नहीं था कि हम जा सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है. I was mentally, I'm like, कर लेंगे PhD Delhi में and around like
something India. Like that. कि I didn't think कि it is in my radar.
Yeah, I think that's the good point.
Yeah, that's what.
So फिर क्या लगा जब सुना क्या हुआ?
तो उनसे बात हुई, and that's when the seed of doubt came into my mind कि wait. Doubt about continuing PhD in IIT. Because I had already seen 2-3 years of IIT. I was familiar with the campus and everything. And PhD means another 3 years, something.
Yeah. Same campus.
Yeah, same campus. Plus research area which I was working in, it was clear that I could do much more stuff. I can explore more if I apply outside, or even not that. It was more about the experience. And that's a like I think recurring concept with me again and again. I've always taken bold decisions, I would say, just for the experience of it, which is not something I would suggest hamesha, but yeah, it was at that time something like that.
Yeah, that may come across as that you get bored of same places very easily and you want to try a new thing every time, which may not be true, because now you correctly put it in the correct words that it's about experiencing everything. Not that my mood is such, it's about new experiences.
True.
You want to explore because you've already experienced IIT Bombay. You feel that's exhausted. Now I need to get the experience of somewhere new.
True.
So ठीक है, हो गया, मतलब हमारा हुआ, हमने समझ लिया कि बाहर से हो सकता है, PhD नहीं हो सकता है. फिर क्या? Because friends, he did his PhD from USA, जो हमारा मेन चीज है जिसके लिए हमने इतनी स्टोरी बिल्ड करी है. So सत्यम कैसे आया?
So long story short, during like I was in IIT, I made some really good professor colleague type friends. Okay. So I did my internship when I was IT at TCS Innovation Labs. Okay. Pretty nice place in terms of research. And I was working with her with someone who is a professor. His name is Professor Harshal Khadilkar. Okay. He is from IIT. He did
might be watching you right now.
Might be watching. Hi, hello sir. Yeah, he did his PhD from IIT, and then so not PhD, his BTech from IIT. Then he went to MIT for PhD. Okay. Then he came back, and so he was in touch, and him and then other people I talked to, and they gave me ideas on what to do, how to proceed. But long story short was this, that if I want to do PhD, I want to go outside or stay in India, the main difference won't be कि knowledge उधर ज़्यादा है इधर कम है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे भी it's pretty good research. It would be more about the other sort of development that happens apart from academic.
I think technology wise, because India में labor इतनी है and labor skill हम कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, India में आपको सब मिल जाएगा आज की डेट में. So हमारे पास कमी तो किसी चीज की नहीं है. दिक्कत ये है कि कुछ चीजें एडवांसमेंट वहाँ ज्यादा है, हमारे यहाँ कम है. एंड प्लस ना आई थिंक कल्चर ऑल्सो प्लेज अ मेजर रोल हमारे यहाँ. Because somewhere we say, honestly to the audience also, somewhere we say US में, I mean I'll come to that question even later. US में जैसे कहते हैं पेरेंट्स एक पॉइंट पे छोड़ देते हैं अपने बच्चों को. तो हम उसे कितना सही मानते हैं, गलत मानते हैं. In India we call it a wrong thing. Which I feel personally is a right thing. That's a debatable issue. That will come back to this topic later on.
Double-edged sword.
It's totally. I think you got that. But for me, what matters is that finally you decided कि करना है US से करना है, PhD करना है. But सत्यम, इंडिया में ना स्टूडेंट्स चाहते हैं यूएस से जाना. अ लॉट ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स हु आर इवन वाचिंग दैट वीडियो, और जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो चाहते हैं यूएस. सबसे पहला मिथ क्या आता है ना, यूएस का नाम सुनते ही पैसा बहुत लगेगा, वीजा नहीं मिलेगा, जा नहीं सकते. सो ऐसा सवाल नहीं आया दिमाग में, और उसको ओवरकम कैसे करा?
सो दिस वाज अ प्लान thing जो फिर मैंने आगे किया. So once I decided कि maybe let's not jump into PhD right now. It's a big commitment. So दो चीज़ें की मैंने उस साल. That was in I think 2020. I'm starting to But right after IIT, after I did not set for placements, I decided कि I'm not gonna jump into PhD right now in IIT. I'm gonna try for outside. But before that, I need to do some things. First of all, I decided, you know what, I should get some industry experience. Okay. Like I should work, see कि कितना फायदा होता है PhD करने का. Second, I need to earn some money for the things that are coming in. पैसा चाहिए, ठीक है. So I won't say कि PhD is still one of the things which you can do जिसमें कम पैसा लगता है, बाहर से करो. But फिर भी, to get started, you need some capital. Good money, yeah. So what I did was, I talked to all these professors and I decided कि ठीक है. I applied off campus. Placement season was gone. ठीक है.
वो तो चला गया. It was gone. Bye December. Bye. I did not send for placement.
I was like, cool. उस time पे we were like कि what are you doing? I'm like, just trust the process.
Okay, तब तो bold move ले लिया. उसके बाद repercussions
देखते हैं. Yeah. So then I applied for jobs. As IIT
outside IIT
outside
अपने आप ही
खुद से just LinkedIn.
कहाँ करा? LinkedIn guys जॉब कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं IIT में? ओके जब छोड़ दो प्लेसमेंट गलती से, प्लीज आपको टिप दे रहा है.
Yeah, it's not easy, it's not especially उस टाइम पे, कोविड के टाइम पे.
करा कहाँ? बच्चे तो वही जान रहे, कह रहे बैठे हमें बता दो कहाँ करते हैं.
Yeah, so the thing is basically you just need one acceptance. Doesn't matter उससे पहले 100 बार रिजेक्शन आया था. Doesn't matter who, no one knows, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. You just need one acceptance, that's all. So true. So that's what my procedure was. I was just applying, and one thing that helps is जो I thought personally helped me. If you apply directly through LinkedIn portals, there's like filter system. Sometimes your resume किसी के सामने आएगा नहीं आएगा. Usually if you just search for posts of people literally saying I'm searching for, like sometimes people just put posts on LinkedIn, not like an actual job profile khuli hai, like application type, not like that. A real person has put up a post, okay, I'm searching for a team, if anyone interested, apply. I realized कि if I apply to those kind of people, they're actually looking at the responses, because usually ये जो लोग post कर रहे हैं, they are not part of some talent HR team, they are part of some R&D team or their own team. They're actually looking for people to hire.
Excuse me, sir. मैंने भी LinkedIn पे अभी post करा था recently that I'm looking to build a team.
Yeah.
I need a editor. I need a videographer.
Yeah.
किसी ने response ही नहीं दिया.
I mean 100. I said 100
मैं कह रही हूँ
rejections
ऐसे
and then
genuine लोग ले लो
one
क्योंकि वो
acceptance.
ढूंढ रहे हैं लोगों को
Yeah.
and वो सब पे कर रहे हैं सब कर रहे हैं. You just need to आपको
Yeah.
job मिल रही है आप लेना नहीं चाहते क्या करें यार.
Yeah, it's a long process.
Yeah.
If I remember correctly, it took me quite some while, couple of months.
लगेगा time हाँ.
Easily.
हाँ.
couple of months लगा था and थोड़ा सा तब लग रहा था कि थोड़ा सा like I'm way too close to the edge. अभी IIT खत्म हो रहा है and job चाहिए and उसके बाद I have to plan आगे क्या करना है. So but long story short, I did get a job. I got a job finally and
कहाँ पे लगी job?
so this was in delivery.
Okay.
DLHI.
I know. मेरे बहुत order आते हैं वहाँ से.
Yep. So yeah.
Delivery.
Delivery.
And I think सबसे अच्छा मुझे Shadowfax या बाकी सब छोड़ के delivery लगता है. उनका mechanism मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah,
Personally, as a customer, I'm saying that.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Though
We are
हमारा
not
जो
promoting delivery.
yeah, you're not. I would say though हमारी जो team थी, my work was I was surprised actually कि delivery had a R&D section, not completely devoted to कि बस सीधा apply करना है and वो use करना है. Just R&D going on in the back to be used.
इंडिया में R&D होती नहीं है normally बहुत जगह.
Yeah.
And सबसे बड़ा loophole ही हमारे यहाँ यही है
Yeah.
कि R&D नहीं होती. तो delivery में R&D पर पता है I can make out aspect से
Yeah.
delivery के ordering system as a customer I'm saying
Yeah.
जब मेरे को पता है मेरा ऑर्डर डिलीवरी से आ रहा है I'm more satisfied as compared to मैं अपना ऑर्डर मे बी मैं थोड़ा पढ़ी लिख मतलब मेरा थोड़ा ऐसा वाला कस्टमर हूँ मैं जो
Yeah.
चेक करती है जाके कि शैडो
किससे
मैं
आ रहा
अपना
है?
डिलीवरी पहले देखती हूँ बंदा की
Right.
कौन डिलीवरी कौन सी कंपनी मेरी डिलीवरी करने वाली ऑर्डर की
Nice.
एंड द मोमेंट आई नो डिलीवरी है पता नहीं मैं फ्री हो जाती हूँ टेंशन से ना
Nice, that's
दैट्स
good.
मेंटली आई एम सेइंग
That's
एंड
good.
maybe it's good for them that
Yeah.
I'm saying that
Yeah.
but
I mean
yeah.
free.
but you work for them and then
Yeah.
how
so,
was it?
So I work for them and I would say the team was nice actually. So we were given a problem. I cannot discuss in detail exactly क्या था.
Let's not. Huh?
But we were given a problem about something that they already had a solution for.
Okay.
But they were looking कि future like current solution was not scalable. Like as market was growing, the population base was growing. So they wanted something a bit more scalable solution which can increase with the data. So the overall work was like काफी अच्छा. मेरी टीम में I think 3-4 लोग और थे. My manager was a PhD.
आपकी
hint,
लाइफ
hint.
में ना आई फील सत्यम व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अभी
Yeah,
तक की कॉन्वर्सेशन से मैं एक वो दे देती हूँ यूएस को स्टोरी
Yeah.
सत्यम को बार बार पीएचडी दिख रहा है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम होम
Yeah.
पापा में और फिर सबसे पीएचडी
Somehow,
पीएचडी पीएचडी
yeah.
समहाउ यू कमिंग
I just
आई
come
डिस्कस
across.
दिस विद माय स्टूडेंट इन अर्लियर पॉडकास्ट शी सेड मैम कभी कभी लाइफ में कुछ होना होता है ना वो बार बार सामने अलग अलग वे में आता है
Yeah.
तो हमें पता भी नहीं होता हमारी ये डायरेक्शन है बट वो बार बार हमें दिखती है एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपनिंग विद मतलब you've mentioned you
Yeah.
are meeting people who have done PhD I mean
Yeah.
delivery में somebody
Yeah,
PhD
yeah, he was
अब
a
you just think
team
ना
lead, पूरा manager कर रहा था, and he was a very nice guy. He
Yeah.
made things very simple. It was actually very nice working with that team because everyone was like motivated towards the like solving of the problem. So it was nice, the type of work I want to do. Ki just look at the problem, try to solve it, and stuff like that. So
But how many years did you work in
just one.
just one
Yeah, one.
so why did you go for PhD then after delivery when you're getting
So-
अच्छा चलो सोच लिया एक्सपीरियंस लेना
Yeah.
फिर कैसे हुआ PhD
So when I was working delivery, one thing मेरे को काफी जल्दी clear हो गई कि PhD helps.
okay
My
हाँ
manager-
वो तो दिख ही रहा है
दिख ही
बार
रहा
बार
था,
सब
yeah.
आ रहे हैं PhD
ठीक
तो
है.
दिख
So my
रहा है.
manager was a PhD and in the general discussion it helps. Second जो major thing हुई so this goes a bit back but I mentioned कि I was working with TCS internship
हाँ, you mentioned.
and I also mentioned कि COVID के time पे I was working on a paper. They somehow published in the same year, both of them.
Oh, luck.
Yep, luck.
Luck.
So back to back. They
That's I would say luck.
yeah, so again luck. So they published in the same year. When the first one got accepted and published, I was like, okay, it's my profile for applying outside has got a bit stronger. The second one got accepted and like published, then I was like, okay, now it will be a waste if I don't utilize this thing jo bhi hua hai. And originally I was supposed to go to US in December itself because of the acceptance, but again COVID chal raha tha, so that 1 year they decided not to do the conference offline but online, so I didn't go. stayed December में. But I realized कि you know what, I should just try. Second thing, one more thing. When I was working at delivery, after the office at nights, I used to prep for GRE.
My
So that's where the prep
God. So
comes
you were
in now.
like working, then preparing, and then doing everything.
Yeah.
Were you sleeping?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
For what? 2 hours?
No, it was not the most ideal sleep pattern, but I would still try my best. One thing मैंने जो realize करी, it sounds सुनने में अच्छा कि इतना लंबा जग लिया and मैंने खींच ली रात भर पढ़ाई करके, but it's not productive.
यार पता है ऑनेस्टली ना इंडिया में मैं कल ही कहीं सुन रही थी कि इंडिया में और बाहर के कल्चर्स में आई हैड अ पॉडकास्ट विद अ पर्सन हु इज लिविंग इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, देन आई हैड अ पॉडकास्ट विद अ पर्सन हु इज इन जर्मनी, एंड आई हर्ड कि ऑस्ट्रिया भी कोई गया था, मैं सुन रही थी उनका पॉडकास्ट, दे सेड संडे ना बंद होता है, तो टूरिस्ट को कितनी दिक्कत हुई, वो अपना सोच रहे थे. आई वाज सो हैप्पी कि बंद होता है, क्योंकि यार उनकी भी तो जिंदगी है ना, जो शॉप खोल के बैठे हैं, वो अपना लाइफ तो एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, तो वो कंट्री अपने लोगों के बारे में कितना सोचती है, क्योंकि आपको सर्व करने के लिए किसी और को भी तो आना पड़ रहा है. हम पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, कोई और भी तो शूट कर रहा है, तो उनकी भी तो छुट्टी होती है. तो आई फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी. जो हम यहाँ नहीं सोचते, मुझे लगता है इंडिया में फिर हम माइंडसेट होता है दैट वी आर लाइक वर्किंग कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग, एंड हम रेस्ट करते हैं तो हम खुद को गिल्ट में डालते हैं.
ये एक है आई थिंक मोस्ट कॉर्पोरेट, मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो प्लेस हुए हैं, इट्स वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मोस्ट लोगों का खराब रहता है.
पर क्यों गिल्ट क्यों होना है? मेरा कंसर्न है यार, मैं मंडे से फ्राइडे करूंगी, सुबह से रात काम करूंगी, आज जितने वर्किंग आवर्स है उतना ही करूंगी, पर इवन इफ आई एम डूइंग माय ओन थिंग, आई विल टेक रेस्ट, आई विल एंजॉय माय लाइफ. इट्स मेरे को भी एक ही जिंदगी मिली आपकी तरह, क्योंकि भाई एस्ट्रोलॉजी वाली पॉडकास्ट बहुत आती है, लोग बोलते हैं अगले जन्म ये पैदा होंगे, मुझे तो नहीं पता मैं क्या होंगी, अभी इंसान हुई हूँ तो मैं तो एंजॉय करूंगी. सो आई थिंक दैट टेक्स अ लॉट. बट व्हाई वर यू basically where I'm coming to is why were you अपने आप को इतना परेशान क्यों कर रहे थे एक तरीके से?
It might sound like कि मैं
but you wanted to achieve something.
Yeah, it might sound like कि this is such a hectic schedule, इसको कुछ करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता था, but honestly if I tell you the reality, I would wake up, we had a morning call, I would work, lunch खत्म हुआ, normally 7 बजे तक we would wrap up, which is I think still a respectable working hours compared to people who work till 2 रात तक, like अभी भी चलता है लोगों का. उसके बाद I used to take out the time for like maybe go out for walk, gym, whatever, and then I would start to study. So it was pretty cramped, but things were happening. And second, I was not, I would say, stressed as per se.
Acha, mentally you were fine.
Mentally, yeah. You cannot. I realized it पहले कि if you're stressed, you cannot really prep properly.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's very true.
Yeah. So you have to somehow, I don't know, maybe convince yourself you're not stressed. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी करते हैं कि convince, yeah.
मेरे जैसे करते हैं. शीशे में देख के बोलते हैं कुछ है नहीं, टेंशन
all
लाइफ बहुत हैपनिंग है, कुछ भी हो रहा है चाहे, पर यहाँ हाथ रख के हम वही.
All is well, yeah.
All is well.
Yeah, exactly, वही, yeah. So that is the thing. So I would not say I was stressed. In fact, as prep went on, I was a bit excited.
Okay.
Honestly, because I was excited before the papers got accepted, because paper got accepted around November or something, and I was already prepping since like 2-3. So I was थोड़ा सा excited कि where does this take me? And then the papers got accepted, and then the excitement was like, okay, now I'm like in the game properly.
Yeah.
And then I gave like GRE TOEFL. उसमें भी थोड़ा सा hiccup again. There was no absence of hiccups. I had to give my GRE twice, honestly.
क्या स्कोर था GRE में? बहुत अच्छे स्कोर भी फेल हो जाते हैं लोगों के. I think 800 टोटल होता है.
No, so this one is 360 वाला.
अच्छा, okay.
360? Oh, I should
That's
remember
fine.
this.
आ गया ना, स्कोर आ गया, US पहुंच गए हम.
Yeah, I don't know out of कितना है, but I remember मेरा स्कोर था 324.
Okay.
So उसमें I don't remember.
But
I think
why USA?
340 से
Why
होता है.
USA? That is the concern. USA क्यों? ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाते, जर्मनी जाते, ठंड भी इतनी होती है, क्या मतलब क्यों जाना?
Yeah. So why US in short? Main reason I would say, I feel personally, and a lot of people might agree, if you want to go for research, there are a lot of nice places.
R&D.
Yeah.
US
like
best.
US just has a higher density of Like I'm not saying बाकी जगह नहीं है, बाकी जगह भी हैं. Paris has some very nice. London School of Business. I'm right now doing PhD in a business school, so I'm just comparing business schools. But I feel like US में higher density थी. Also my connections जो IIT में बने थे, they were like from US, so it made sense. Second, funding. One more thing.
Let's talk about that. That's important aspect. What about funding? Because जैसे मैंने question करा पहले भी, US सुनते ही लोगों को लगता है बहुत पैसा लगेगा. आधे इंडियन पेरेंट्स तो बेचारे अपने बच्चों को भेजना भी चाहते हैं, वो थम जाते हैं कि बहुत पैसा है.
So the plan of action was this. One thing जो I have not mentioned throughout all this, like DU, IIT, all this, one thing that has been constant, I would always ask a lot of questions from people who are already there where I want to be.
That's good.
Okay,
Very good.
So I was always constantly asking questions just to get info. So I gathered info ki how much money I need for US to even get started. The money you need is, just kidding, you won't get funding, is ticket to go there, which can get very expensive.
Let's give an approximate idea to the audience. Let's be very specific.
Yeah, I would be very specific. So around August. So it depends on period when you're going, and you will most definitely go around August because that's when the sessions start.
Okay.
So the tickets around that is at least 1.10 lakh one side. If you want to go coming back and forth.
1.10.
So I paid 1,06,000. I think I remember a friend of mine 1.16. So I'm just
yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
So
we'll talk about
1
yours.
lakh. It was even 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
So that's like one side. If you book in advance, maybe थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा. If you are going at a time which is not August. So for example, right now I came to India. This was pretty cheap compared to that. I paid 1.6 lakhs both sides.
Both sides.
Both sides. Yeah.
Okay.
So
better.
Not too bad, but yeah.
पैसा लगता है और स्ट्रेस होता है. स्टार्टिंग में होता है जब आपने कुछ नहीं करा.
Yeah. So for going,
calculate every cost.
Yeah. So I did calculate. So when I was working delivery, again I cannot disclose how much they paid, but they were nice. Yeah,
they were nice.
They were nice in terms of payment.
Chalo, we got that. They were nice.
They were nice in terms of like.
You can apply in delivery.
Yeah, you can apply. Yeah. So they were pretty good.
Yeah.
And so the ticket cost that adds up.
Yeah.
Then GRE that you have to pay. GRE and TOEFL for the exam. To take the exam you have to pay. And then when you have to send a score to any university, you have to pay for that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that
so when you're applying to universities for applications, recently I think some universities are not requiring GRE, but at my time I applied, so I gave to like सबको, and सबका fee varies, but still there is something.
बट सत्यम ऐसे लगा नहीं हम यूएस जा रहे हैं, इतनी टिकट हो गई. मतलब अगर मुझे आज बोलो मुझे यूएस से जाना है, मुझे पहले टेंशन होगी रहूंगी कहाँ, खाऊंगी क्या, पैसे कितने लगेंगे, कितने मुझे रखने चाहिए अपने पास, कैसे सर्वाइवल होगा मेरा, क्योंकि मैं अकेली भी हूँ, कोई मम्मी पापा तो है नहीं जो संभाल लेंगे. तो वो कैसे सॉर्ट होता है, क्योंकि लड़कों तो वो एज ए सेड दिखा भी नहीं सकते तुम, पर अंदर ही अंदर बहुत प्रेशर होता है.
सो इसका long story short is one step at a time, honestly, cause when I started तो मेरे दिमाग में था कि क्या क्या करना है. GRE का एग्ज़ाम देने हैं, उसका पैसा कटा होगा, then वो सबमिट करना है. एप्लीकेशंस एक एप्लीकेशन भरने के लिए अपार्ट फ्रॉम GRE फॉर द कॉलेज उनकी भी फी लगती है just to submit the application. And then to send the money as well, उसका पैसा अलग से. Sorry, send the GRE score as well, उसका पैसा अलग से. And then staying, tickets. Of course, you need some buffer for the first few months if US जाओगे. So the plan was, when I asked around from people who were there, to get a ballpark idea कितना मेरे पे ready रहे पैसा in total.
क्या figure आई थी?
So let's think. Tickets का 1-1.5-2 लाख मान लो. Then GRE, TOEFL सब वो देना है तो I think 1-2 लाख और 1-1.5 लाख फिर से मान लो. And then उधर रहने के लिए I took I think $2,500 for the first few months, and उसके अलावा rent and वहाँ का security सब देना होता है. So मोटा मोटा 6-7 लाख.
Okay, students, I hope you have that clear aspect
Yeah,
कि
इससे ऊपर जा
if
सकते
you
हो.
want to go to US ये minimum है, इससे ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं, but इतना
Yeah.
तो रखो ही.
Yeah, इतना रखो. इससे नीचे जा सकते हो, but I would not say
नहीं,
कि
वो
it's a
फायदा नहीं है ना.
pushing
हम
too
थोड़ा
much.
ऊपर बफर रखना कोई बुरी
Buffer,
बात नहीं है,
yeah.
पर कम मत सोचो क्योंकि अगर
Yeah.
ऊपर हुआ तो दिक्कत होगी.
Yeah, I would say 6-7 lakh is good. Good, like good ballpark. Especially because the city मैं गया था, it's still a cheaper city. So अभी मैं
कौन सी सिटी में?
Pittsburgh.
Okay, Pittsburgh.
So it's much like affordable compared to say New York अगर जाओ तो this is not enough for 6-7. Might need more. So again, research, ask people who are already living there.
Yeah,
So,
वो तो you start your research.
So,
but okay, you landed in US. You
Yeah.
were there for PhD.
Yeah.
तो एक थोड़ी सी ऐसे मजे वाली बात पूछती हूँ.
Yeah.
PhD एंड काम की बात तो you will tell. I
Yeah.
don't know because I've never been to US.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग का तो वीजा ही नहीं लगता, तो मुझे तो ऐसा दिखाया गया कि मेरा नहीं लगेगा, बट ठीक है.
Okay.
ऐसे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं वीजा नहीं लग रहा, वीजा. That's fine.
That's a whole
Yeah,
different process.
that's
Yeah.
totally that was not. By the way, कौन से वीजा पे?
F1. So
F1.
this is a student F1 visa that you go through. And yeah, I agree. इसका अलग hassle होता है.
नहीं, वीजा का अलग है, मेरे को टेंशन नहीं है, मैं तो गई नहीं. देखो, मैं तो अपना यहाँ से बैठ के पूछ रही हूँ इंडिया से. मेरे जो सवाल है
Yeah.
कि पहले ये बताओ, पिट्सबर्ग में वो थोड़ा सस्ता है.
Yeah.
ट्रैवल तो करते होगे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, कभी गए हो वहाँ पे यूएस में?
Pittsburgh, हाँ, मतलब Pittsburgh से आसपास.
तो कैसे ट्रैवल होता है, कैसे खर्चा? क्योंकि मैंने सुना है ट्रांसपोर्ट भी बहुत महंगा है वहाँ पे.
So flight is इतना बुरा नहीं है, depending on कहाँ जाएं. So
ट्रेन या कुछ?
US does not have like बहुत ही extensive train network compared to India. हाँ, India का much better.
इंडिया का तो बहुत, और भी मतलब अभी
हाँ.
अगर लुधियाना जाना हो, मेरे को यहाँ से पता है कि 10 घंटे लगेंगे. ऐसे वंदे भारत लो और चल दिए.
Yeah, मतलब तो train network है, but जितना इंडिया का extensive है, developed है.
अब हो रहा है यार, इंडिया का भी इतना नहीं था. We'll have, but अच्छा, what are you comparing? Like इंडिया का जो तब भी था, without even वंदे भारत and everything.
I'm not talking about the like luxury of trains. I'm just talking about the
not
network
luxury,
of
the connection,
connectivity. Yeah, connectivity. इंडिया का I would say जब मैं यहाँ से निकला तब भी मुझे लग रहा था कि इंडिया का compared to let's say Pittsburgh में train is almost like useless कहीं जाने के लिए. Like yeah, there is
Satyam, you're still about to go there.
Yeah. No.
In
A lot of
few
people
days.
agree कि US का railway and people are fine with that because need नहीं feel हुई I think.
How do you travel then?
Flights are much more used. Yeah.
महंगा, cost सब महंगा है वहाँ.
हाँ, so scene ऐसा है कि एक तो one of the reason might have been कि US का geography, the way it's structured, it was easier to just have a flight system than to lay down tracks for everything. वहाँ पे है, there is a network for railways, but it's just not as extensively used, I feel, जितना इंडिया में use हो रहा है.
Okay.
And so मेरा mostly travel जो अब तक हुआ है वो flight से हुआ है. I have used train. There is something called Amtrak, जो very nice. तो it is like Indian trains, like थोड़ा सा slow लगा मुझे, but it's still.
Indian train अभी तारीफ करी है Indian trains की, अभी slow बोला है.
No, I was saying India, US का Amtrak थोड़ा सा slow लगा in terms of, so I prefer a flight compared to the train journey in US अभी.
Yeah.
And in terms of cost, so there's 2-3 budget airlines there called, for example, there's something on Spirit.
Okay, Spirit.
Spirit Airlines.
Okay.
It is sort of famous for being so cheap, like it could be unsafe, which is a joke. Like, but it is like very cheap.
Spirits, they have spirits.
Yeah, exactly. So it is pretty cheap. So
Yeah.
in terms of like exact figure, for example, I went to Boston kuch time pehle. I think I paid $76 one side, $76 in INR. I don't know कितना हो गया. 5,000.
यू कैलकुलेट, मैं सवाल पे आने वाली थी कि जब यूएस गए होंगे तो हम लोग कभी भी बाहर घूमने जाते हैं, हम सबसे पहले कैलकुलेटर लेके डॉलर इतना कितना बन रहा है इंडियन. वहाँ की $2 की आइसक्रीम भी दिखती है. यहाँ तो तेरे को 20 रुपए में मिल जाती है.
बंद कर दिया वो करना बहुत पहले. I realized कि अगर ये मैं करूँगा ना, I cannot buy anything. Yeah, so I just stopped.
That's another thing.
Yeah.
तो कोई और नहीं समझेगा, बट लगता है यार कैलकुलेशन
बिल्कुल वेस्ट है, बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए उस जगह पे. क्या मैं बाल कटवाने गया, I start converting that. No, I will stop cutting my hair वहाँ पे. तो वो सब नहीं करता. But हाँ, 5,000-6,000 was the ticket, which is still fine, like Indian price almost for that.
Yeah.
So yeah, travel in terms of वहाँ पे सही है. You can use flights a lot.
What about living there?
So in Pittsburgh, living is pretty affordable.
Where do you live? Like, मतलब क्या कोई personal accommodation जैसे
So
यहाँ पे होता है, हम rent पे लेते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, hostel?
Yeah. So almost every university, I think, yeah, almost every university in US, there is
By the way,
hostel.
which university are you?
Oh yeah, I'm right now doing my PhD in Carnegie Mellon University, Udhar specifically in Tepper School of Business.
Okay.
So actually, anyone who wants to do anything in machine learning, CS, very nice. It's actually the pioneer of ML AI. वहाँ पे sort of the beginning of AI ML. It started at that university.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing. It's in Pittsburgh, and वहाँ पे not just this university, almost any university, वहाँ पे system ऐसा रहता है कि for undergrads there are accommodations like hostels, but for masters or PhDs or grad students, everyone just lives by themselves, like off campus. ऐसा कुछ accommodations, no hostel system as such.
Okay.
So right now I'm living in an apartment. जो
तो खर्चा उसका?
So
how do you manage?
So PhD is a paid thing. They pay
in
us
US or
in everywhere, even in India.
Okay.
So
they pay you?
They pay us, yeah.
सही है, मैं PhD कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पैसा मिल रहा है उसका?
Yeah,
वो
so
बोल रहा है कर.
Yeah, so ये है, इंडिया में भी करोगे. However, जो एक I would say कुछ लोगों के लिए, actually a lot of people might have this demotivating factor कि the income you get for PhD here in India is actually, if I remember last time, it's like 35,000 per month, which is a hindering factor for a lot of people. जिनको मन होगा भी PhD का, तो they are like कि how are you going to survive 5 months, like 5 years on that, if they want to start family at the end of it.
5 years के total or what per month?
Per month, 35,000.
तो ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है,
Yeah, it's very difficult. And
family survive कराना तो उसमें.
Yeah, एक बंदे का भी मुश्किल हो जाता है अगर आप मुंबई में ऑफ कैंपस रहो. Mumbai off campus 35,000, it's impossible almost. And if you have a family and everything, तो lots of people का एक hindering factor ही रहता है, but still people do who are really passionate. And इसलिए भी a lot of people might go outside for PhD because they might have better funds. There are अभी ways in India. If some people might be interested, there's something called PMRF, which is given in IITs. I don't know.
Make them aware about that, because I don't think a lot of people know about that.
Yeah, it's I don't know the full form. It's called PMRF, which is something of Pradhan Mantri something fund.
योजना है, कोई तो है, scheme है ना?
Where it's where you do have to like teach something off campus जाके, but then you get paid. I think around 70.
Guys, we'll mention the detail in the description.
Yeah. I might have to look into it. Yeah.
I'll mention.
So that is something which I don't know कहाँ पे अभी है available. But when I was in IITB, तो वहाँ पे था available.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Yeah. So yeah, the funds are usually there.
US में कितना मिलता है?
So it varies again. So Pittsburgh is a pretty cheap city in terms of affordable, not cheap, affordable city. So वहाँ पे it keeps on changing every year. So right now, again, not to disclose the exact amount.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's in the range of 40-ish.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, but that is after I'm adding my grants and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and also I have applied for grants and stuff. So I was able to.
You can apply for grants.
Yeah.
Like students can.
Yeah. So when I was in my actually this year, I was doing research in not to go to Mathy, generative AI. So there is a specific grant for that which you can apply for. So उसके लिए मैंने apply करा and I was able to get it. So a lot of students which I know might apply essay and they get some grants or they are working RA jobs. So but in short, इस तरह से you can get funds US में.
Yeah.
And they are pretty nice if you want to just. At least for Pittsburgh, it's pretty nice. Right now my rent is not too high.
कितने साल हो गए सत्यम अभी US में?
This is my तीसरा साल अभी.
तीसरा साल?
ये 2.5 हाँ तो 2.5 years actually.
फील हुआ?
अभी नहीं क्योंकि अभी तो मैं इधर ही हूँ.
नहीं.
But yeah, in general.
Obviously अभी नहीं.
Yeah.
But कोई फेस्टिवल आता होगा, कुछ होता होगा तो लगता होगा ना यार घर की, क्योंकि इंडिया में कल्चर एंड फेस्टिविटीज एंड हम लोग काफी वाइब्रेंट लोग हैं, मतलब थोड़ा आउट लाउड एक्सप्रेसिव लोग हैं.
Yeah, one thing जो था almost every festival में you feel it because एक चीज़ है वहाँ पे जिस कॉलेज में हूँ and I think almost a lot of colleges वहाँ पे Indian communities हैं, like there are a lot of Indian students मास्टर्स करने जो आते
हर
हैं.
जगह इंडियंस
Yeah,
वी आर मोस्ट
yeah,
पॉपुलेटेड,
yeah, yeah.
तो हम लोग हर जगह
Yeah,
हैं.
so वो है
Tension ही नहीं.
जिस कॉलेज में हूँ वहाँ पे प्लस इंडिया में ML AI काफी बूम कर रहा है, तो लॉट ऑफ वेरी इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स कम टू दैट कॉलेज फॉर द
Yeah.
मास्टर्स इन AI/ML, so there's a big crowd for that.
Yeah.
And so वहाँ पे they do try to organize दिवाली के लिए, होली के लिए. होली का तो in fact it's very close to what happens in India, like
क्योंकि होली का इंडिया में इतना नहीं है
Oh,
जितना बाकी फेस्टिवल्स का. आई
yeah.
फील पर्सनली, आई फील
yeah, I think
होली
might
पे
have
हम थोड़े
mitigated
मेलो
थोड़ा.
डाउन होते हैं, मतलब
हाँ,
होते हैं बट दिवाली जैसे आई थिंक अ मेन फेस्टिवल इन इंडिया इज
Yeah.
दिवाली. मतलब वो बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट टाइम होता है फॉर एवरीबॉडी,
Yeah, so
लाइक इवन फॉर द इकोनॉमी. आई फील दैट
true.
दैट्स यू नो अ गुड एंड बम्पर टाइम. फेस्टिविटी
Yeah.
शुरू हुई, दशहरा शुरू, अब बस आ गई, अब तो कुछ
Yeah.
महीने
Yeah, true.
चलेंगे.
Agreed. Yeah, even I was okay. Don't want to like digress, but I was working on delivery. We used to prep for Diwali time. कि
That's
इस
what I'm
time पे
saying. Prior na,
Yeah.
so that's what, okay, that's another
Yeah,
point of
yeah,
discussion. We
yeah.
can discuss a lot of things.
Yeah.
But coming back to
The homesickness.
one of the important things,
Yeah.
homesickness fine
Yeah,
होती है,
yeah.
कभी होती है, कभी नहीं होती है, and that's okay.
You
Indian
get used
community
to
है.
it. Yeah.
But ओवरऑल सत्यम यूएस में रह रहे हैं, हम सब कर रहे हैं, अभी भी 3 years हो गए,
Yeah.
as you said.
Yeah.
अभी कितना और टाइम बाकी है PhD होने में?
So I have funds for 5 years.
Okay.
5 साल के, and that's the
including grants and what you're getting per month,
So-
or something else also.
so per month wali is 5 years. The grant is for like 1 year,
Okay.
and then I can apply. It is like a 1 year project kind of grant.
You can reapply.
Yeah, then I can apply for something else. So ऐसा होता है.
Okay.
So expected है कि when a person starts within 5 years they will be sort of wrapping up.
Yeah.
If not exactly 5 years, 5.5 तक they will be just starting to get out now from the like, college.
What are your plans then? I mean, अभी 3 साल जैसे हो गए.
Yeah,
So हम assume करते हैं 5 years.
yeah.
Are you planning to come back US में रह के?
So-
क्योंकि मेरे को US के बारे में ये समझना है. Lot of people इंडिया में ना एक वो है, हमारे लिए यूएस से इज अ प्लेस जहाँ पे लोग जाना चाहते हैं, लोग रहना चाहते हैं, लोगों को लगता है भागना है यहाँ से तो वहाँ जाना है.
Yeah.
तो व्हाट मैसेज डू यू हैव फॉर दोस पीपल कि हमें यूएसए में क्या मतलब व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स अबाउट स्टेइंग देयर, वर्किंग देयर, एस्टैब्लिशिंग योर ओन लाइफ देयर, या फिर वापस आना है इंडिया में and यहाँ पे आके कुछ करना है?
So I would say कि when I applied for first of all PhD in US, the plan was never to stay there.
Okay.
The plan always has been to just do the best I can do in my field wherever
Okay.
possible.
Perfect.
So plan has always been that. So ऐसा कोई settle plan कभी था नहीं, and I don't feel कि ऐसा होने भी वाला है. It at the most stretch ये होगा कि PhD के बाद maybe 1 or 2 years I might work there just to get the
Yeah,
feel of it.
yeah, and then
But
you'll come
I
back.
never really had the plan to settle there.
Basically, right now in 2025, you don't see yourself staying there.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm saying.
Not like
Because पता क्या
permanently.
होता है, time के साथ चीजें change होती
Yeah,
है.
yeah, yeah.
So you might be, seeing this podcast 1 year later and लगा, oh तब क्यों बोला था, अब तो मेरा मन कर गया रहने का.
Yeah.
So we'll not go there.
Yeah, but there's no fixed
Right
plan.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But right now, I would not say कि I have a plan to stay there indefinitely, लंबा time के लिए. It's more like after I finish my PhD, based on कहाँ पे उसके बाद job लगती है, कितना time करता हूँ. Again, since I don't want to stay indefinitely, whatever I end up doing, I might not do it for a very, very long time. In terms of industry में जाना है या academia, a lot of people who do PhD also do it for academia, कि उनको professor बनना है. In fact, that's one of the main things.
So do you want to be?
No, not really.
Oh.
So my interest has always been R&D companies में, and like
Okay.
that's what I was doing delivery
But
में.
do you think R&D में तो फिर अगर if you stay in US that's better ना इंडिया में? We don't know अभी 2 years down the line क्या
Yeah.
scene होने वाला है इंडिया में भी. Things are evolving very fast and
Yeah.
exponentially. I feel from where we were 5 years पहले,
Yeah.
उससे आज जहाँ हम आ चुके हैं बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो रहा है.
True.
तो बिकॉज एज हमारे पूरे कॉन्वर्सेशन में गाइज वी टॉक्ड अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कि हमें क्लैरिटी नहीं थी, हमें पता नहीं था करना क्या है, हमें ये नहीं था, हमें वो नहीं था. वो इसलिए भी है आज आपकी डेट में आप ये सुन रहे हो, पर चैट जीपीटी सबके आंसर देता है आपको.
Yeah.
हमारे टाइम गूगल तक थी, मतलब हमारे टाइम
Yeah.
ना we did not even have phones. I got my first phone when I passed out from the school 18th birthday पे as a gift कि चल अब तेरे को फोन ले देते हैं.
Nice.
इतना मेरा कोई पुराना एरा नहीं है कि भाई मैं इतनी ओल्ड नहीं हूँ गाइस, तो वो बात नहीं है.
Yeah.
My concern is that this generation right now is
Yeah.
evolving so fast that they
Yeah.
are so well equipped with a lot of resources, technology, and a lot of things that were not there at our time. एंड
True.
हमें ना गाइडेंस भी नहीं थी, ये भी
I
नहीं कोई
would
बोलता
say
था कि
this.
कॉमर्स, हमारे
Yeah.
स्कूल में आर्ट्स भी नहीं था तब.
Yeah, I would say this. Main जो मेरे साथ रहा है कि there's a lot of learning while doing it. कि
हाँ,
कर
that's
रहा हूँ and then learn कर रहा हूँ. Okay, this is a nice thing to do. This is not the nice thing to do.
learning by doing.
Yeah, so that's बहुत बार हुआ है. And I feel like अभी people have resources like ChatGPT and stuff. उस time पे भी uh, not comparatively इतने अच्छे थे. Not say that. But it's like no matter how many resources you have, it's like this: the more you know what you don't know, sort of. ठीक है?
Okay, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And this has a very deep meaning.
yeah, so it's like कि once they realize कि okay, this is a career, but then they see कि net पे this is also a thing which I've known nothing about. What if
Yeah.
this is also nice?
Yeah.
तो वो mind race करना start. तो वो indecisiveness हमेशा ना रहती है lot
And
students.
human tendency is to explore. हमें ना लगता है
Yeah.
हम कुछ miss out ना कर जाएं. That FOMO ना.
Miss out ना कर
Yeah,
जाएं.
that fear of missing out कि ऐसा ना हो कुछ अच्छा है जो मेरी capability थी but मैं कर नहीं पा
Yeah.
रही.
वो
So we
होता
want
है.
to try. We want to experiment.
Yeah, and throw into that the thing that you had mentioned, the responsibility thing that at some point you want to start earning as well. So you want
Stability
to
भी लानी है life
stability भी
में. अब
लानी
वो
है.
pressure है.
So it's time पे ना I just time पे I was trying to explore. At this point I'm pretty clear कि like I'm working in a certain direction. Like I know what I want to do. So I'm thinking of going to industry. उस हिसाब से I'm prepping my PhD. उस हिसाब से I'm applying for internships. उस हिसाब से my research is going. So now it's pretty clear. But उस time पे I would say it's a big hodgepodge of a lot of things happening.
Yeah.
Where you can trust someone at their word, but if just in case you don't like what happens, you cannot blame them. कि
Yeah,
you
yeah.
तुमने कहा था तो हमने कर
ना
दिया.
बाबा अपने लिए करा था,
Yeah,
अपने आप
so you
देखो.
cannot do that. Yeah.
But
So
Satyam, coming to, now finally guys, we are
Yeah.
approaching towards an end of this video.
Yeah.
And it's like I would want to ask you,
yeah.
अब इस पूरा वीडियो काफी लंबा हुआ है and if you made it till here that means you're liking our conversation. So हम ये
Yeah.
conversation ऐसे ही तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे. And my main goal is कि
Yeah.
अब लोग सत्यम को जान चुके हैं, अगर जिन्होंने भी ये
Yeah.
conversation यहाँ तक देखा है,
Yeah.
उनका एक क्वेश्चन है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, वो ये जानना चाहते हैं सत्यम से,
Yeah.
सत्यम सब हो गया यूएस में, you're not planning to settle.
Yeah.
What are your future plans? Where do you see Satyam in
Okay.
future?
I would say this 5 or 10 years down the line, I am still exploring.
Oh my god.
Yeah. The thing is, I'm still exploring while working. I'm like stable. The exploration part is constant.
Yeah.
Being stable, being unstable, that is.
It's just
yeah.
that you're working, you're earning good. That doesn't
Yeah.
mean कि हो गया जिंदगी
Yeah,
में
yeah.
बस आप इसी के लिए तो सब किया था,
Yeah,
नहीं रुकेंगे नहीं explore
yeah.
करना,
I'm still
right?
exploring. So the thing is, ideas keep on coming. You keep on trying. Some of them fail very badly. Some of them don't fail, and even if 1 or 2 of them like go as you planned, that gives you a boost of confidence. कि ठीक है, I can probably.
So some parting words for our audience and just a message for them in
Oh.
general. You know,
Wow.
a lot of students are watching you with a very good hope कि वो आपके इन सारे achievements में से कोई एक achievement भी हासिल कर ले, उनके लिए बड़ी
Oh,
बात
that's
है.
two
So
बहुत बड़े words
because
हैं.
you have actually achieved a lot of things जो
Okay.
आपको realize नहीं हो रहा है, but you are an inspiration for a lot of them. Some parting words, like any message for them.
Okay, so I'll try to make it not very deep. So there is one thing which someone told me, and I've applied that a lot. Part of the PhD actually also. I would say always keep asking questions if you don't know about something, and once you have found a question, जिसका आंसर किसी को नहीं पता, that's when you know you have a very nice question. So
My
yeah, that's.
Thank you so much. And I had a lovely conversation with Satyam in this
Yeah.
episode. I know that this has been longer than any of my previous episodes, but
Yeah.
I'm super proud even then. First of all, being my junior with so
Yeah.
much of clarity, and it's the first time, when you sit in front of your junior and he's so confident, you feel like a proud person that yes, I knew him back then and now he's
Yeah.
there. So thank you so much. This entire conversation taught a lot of things to me and our audience as well. And truly, Satyam, thank you for taking out time because he's again going back to US as we
Yeah.
all know. So somehow I managed to get a hold of him today, and truly, I'm very glad that you could make it. Thank you so much. I had
Thanks.
a lot of
Thanks for inviting me. It was very great, the whole talk, and it was very nice. And it's very nice to have you as a senior. I'm just saying. Yeah.
Oh, I'm a lovely senior.
Yeah, she's a lovely senior. Yeah, all the time. Yeah, you're a very good anchor in school. So.
In school?
Yeah. You were
Abhi bhi hu yaar, aisa.
Even right now, yeah, of course. I'm saying it carried.
Guys, our fun conversation will carry on, but we'll not hold you for a longer period of time. But you have to do one thing. You have to comment down below that, you know, what was your favorite part from the entire episode. And if you're planning to go to US, Australia, Germany, whatever, I have all the episodes. You can comment down, and definitely he'll be keeping a track of all your comments, and he'll definitely be very happy to answer all your questions. So keep questioning, as he mentioned very correctly. क्वेश्चन तो पूछते रहो, क्योंकि पूछोगे नहीं तो जवाब नहीं मिलेगा, तो बिल्कुल पूछना. एंड विद दैट आई विल सी यू इन अनदर वन. टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे हेल्दी एंड बाय बाय.